Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper, it's Labor Day weekend here. We're sipping some wine in Jersey. And this is my friend Eddie here. We've been high school friends for a long time. And we're hanging right now. If you see this right here, this heavy bag right here, you can't really get around it when you're going on the bag. And you know, it's nice to stay in shape and everything. So his brother did this mount right here, right? So we raised it up a little bit. And Ed, what do you think? You think you're gonna be able to get around it?
Yes, go around, and it's a hanging post for a boxing ring. So we'll be able to go around on the grass, and we'll be able to kick and box, and you can get three-minute rounds, just like the fights.
Yeah, so Eddie's son is gonna be competing for Golden Gloves this year, and he's a cop in New Jersey here, and he's going to be competing Golden Gloves. So we want to make sure that he has a good mount right there, and for us too. I mean, we do the same. We box. We try and keep in shape.
Kicking, karate.
We do kick, right? We kick. I'm into kung fu, MMA. So his brother welded this thing, and what we did. All right, you see the rebar right there. So we wanted to extend it out because right there you see it's really not that much space. But we extended it out right here, and his brother welded it. His brother's a welder. And then we put it through his deck right here. And you see these long bolts right there. We put them right through the major post. And then right there is when he's going to get a guy to put one of those you know, those cylinders.
The cone.
Yeah, the cone. Yeah, the cylinders that you can pour the concrete in. This way, it'll keep it nice and stable. But in the meantime, you know, he's got another bag. He's probably gonna fill another bag, a brand new one, and then hang it up in here. We'll put it probably toward the end right here. And I think it's a good height. If we have to make it lower, we could always put a spring, but I think it's a good height the way it is. In any event, you know, hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, and as always, keep prepping, man. Later. Vermont Prepper out.